Welcome to Instrulogic. Today, we're talking about troubleshooting magnetic flow meters, a practical guide based on real plant experience. By the end of this video, you'll know what are the common problems with magnetic flow meter and how to fix them. Let's get started. Here is what we will cover. What is a magnetic flow meter? How it works in simple terms. Common industrial problems. Practical troubleshooting solutions. Preventive maintenance tips. This is real-world knowledge you can apply in your plant today. A magnetic flow meter measures the flow of conductive liquids. It has no moving parts, which makes it very reliable. It's perfect for water, wastewater, slurry, and chemicals. But it's not suitable for gas, steam, or non-conductive liquids like oil or diesel. Now, what is working principle of electromagnetic flow meter? The principle is simple: Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. The meter creates a magnetic field inside the pipe. When liquid flows through, it cuts the magnetic field and generates a voltage. Electrodes sense this voltage, and the transmitter converts it into flow rate. Remember this rule: more flow equals more voltage. The main parts of magnetic flow meter are flow tube, magnetic coils, electrodes, transmitter, and grounding rings. Now let's discuss the common problems in plants. You'll face issues like no flow reading, fluctuating reading, zero flow showing value, communication failure, and inaccurate readings. Let's go through each problem and its solution. Problem number 1. No flow reading even though flow is present. Possible causes: pipe empty, low conductivity, power missing, cable issue. Solution: ensure pipe is fully filled. Check fluid conductivity. Verify transmitter power supply. Check sensor cable continuity. Check electrode wiring. Now let's take example of problem number 2. Fluctuating reading. Flow value continuously moving up and down. Possible causes are air bubbles in process, poor grounding, flow turbulence, electrical noise. Solution of fluctuating reading: remove air entertainment in pipeline. Ensure proper grounding and earthing. Maintain straight pipe length at upstream and downstream of flow sensor. Use shielded cables. Keep signal cable away from power cables. Now let's move to problem number 3. Flow reading even when valve is closed. Possible causes are zero calibration not done properly, valve leakage, coated or dirty electrodes. Here is the solution for zero flow issue. Perform zero calibration with no flow. Check isolation valve leakage. Clean electrodes. Follow manufacturer zero setting procedure. Problem number 4. Communication failure. No reading in DCS, PLC, or SCADA. Possible causes are wrong protocol selection, wrong address wiring issue, communication parameter mismatch. Here is the solution for communication failure issue. Check protocol, verify device address, check polarity of communication cable, match baud rate, parity, stop bits, test locally from transmitter display. Now let's discuss the last and final problem number 5, low or inaccurate reading. Possible causes are pipe not fully filled, incorrect range and span, low fluid conductivity, improper installation. Here is the solution to resolve inaccurate reading issue. Ensure full pipe condition, verify transmitter range and span, check process conductivity, confirm flow direction, verify installation orientation. In electromagnetic flow meter, proper grounding is critical. Poor grounding causes noise, fluctuation, and wrong readings. Always install grounding rings or electrodes as per the manual. Here is the preventive maintenance tips. For preventive maintenance, clean electrodes periodically. Check grounding. Inspect cables and glands. Perform zero check during shutdown. Backup transmitter parameters. Let's summarize this video. Mag flow meters are reliable. Most problems come from installation, grounding, or process issues. Troubleshooting is easy if you understand the basics. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Comment your plant problems below. We'll cover them in the next video. Instrulogic, instrumentation made simple.